Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday. It is May 6th. You are going to make your own restaurant today, and you're going to invite mom for a lovely dining experience. But first, you must watch the HTY video that I linked in today's class story. And from that video, you are going to learn how to create your own restaurant in your own home with very little supplies and basic things you have in your home already. HTY is Hawaii Theater for Youth, and we watch them all the time. We go to the theater, and this year we watched the Korean Cinderella for a field trip. And you also had a performance in the cafeteria right before spring break about reducing, reusing, and recycling. Remember them? So those same group of people put on a movie for you on making your own restaurant. It's super funny. I love that video. And you, like I said, you don't need a lot of supplies for your own restaurant, but you are going to need a mustache, okay? So go ahead, watch the video, and put on a lovely experience for mom. Take a picture or a video of what you did and post it up to your Class Dojo portfolio. For ELA today, you are going to log into Epic and you're going to read the story called The Ugly Vegetables. Strange name, but very good book. It is about a girl who works with her mom on a garden. But the girl notices right away that the garden isn't as beautiful as all her neighbors. The neighbors have petunias and poppies and all kinds of beautiful, sweet-smelling, pretty, colorful flowers, and their garden doesn't have anything like that. But she soon discovers something even better about her garden than anyone else's, okay? So read that story, take the quiz on Epic, and then what you're going to do is you are going to make a 3-column vocabulary chart, just like this. It's not hard to make this yourself, but if you want, you can click the link to this worksheet that I made, and you can print it out if you want. Otherwise, make your own. All you need to do is make 3 columns. The first column with the vocabulary word. So you will need to look at this to get the vocabulary word that I want you to write about. Then you're going to have to decide on what the definition is of those words. And then you're going to have to draw a picture, a mini picture, and write a sentence with using the word in it. Okay? So some of the words you're going to have to be doing today is shoveling, sprinkling, plain, wheeled, tough, aroma, and blooming, okay? So go ahead and look for those words in the story and figure out their definitions, write a picture, and a sentence to go with it. Okay. In writing, you're going to do day 3. There is no video for today, but if you want, if it will help you, you can watch yesterday's video because it's the same thing. All you're doing is writing out paragraph 2, okay, in the same way that you wrote out paragraph 1. All right, you must include a topic sentence and your details below it. Okay, in math today, you are going to do pages 132 and 133. And it is the same concept of subtracting 3-digit numbers. Okay, remember that you have to regroup sometimes. And in the first question, just by looking at the equation, you're going to need to decide if regrouping is going to be taking place in the tens place or the hundreds place, or in both, okay? So get familiar with knowing how to recognize when regrouping is necessary, okay? You also have another assignment in math, and that is to watch a Khan Academy video. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's one. And today's one is about equal parts of circles and rectangles. So there's a link to the Khan Academy video, instructional video, and then after you're done watching that video, answer the 4 practice questions and get your immediate results and find out how well you are doing with fractions, okay? Before I end the video, I just want to share something that you should be learning about fractions, okay? So this was yesterday's mini lesson. We are going to look at one part of it, which is this one right here. You see this shape? It is a rectangle. We can pretend it's a candy bar or something. So this candy bar is divided into fourths, okay? If you ate one piece of that candy bar, that chocolate, if you ate one of those, you would have eaten 1/4 fourth of the candy bar. Now, some candy bars might be the same exact size, but sometimes they might be divided differently, okay? So look at how I divide this candy bar. This candy bar is the exact same size, as much as I possibly can make it, okay? So this candy bar, try to make it the exact same size as the one above, okay? See that? Now, I'm going to divide this same size candy bar into fourths. See how I do it. Watch how I'm going to do this one. Okay, now same size candy bar. They're both divided into fourths, but it looks different, right? You notice that? They're divided up in fourths, but their shapes are different. I divided this one into fourths going down this way, so they're longer, skinnier pieces. And I divided fourths, same size candy bar, this way, okay? Where they're a little bit different shape, okay? But if I ate one piece of this candy bar, did I eat 1/4 of it? I did, because it's divided into 4 equal parts and I just ate one. But my question for you to think about is this and this size the same? Do they both have the same area? What do you think? They do, because they're the same size candy bar and they're divided into fourths, 4 equal parts. And so this here, this area, is the same size as this area, although it is shaped a little differently, okay? So you're gonna learn more about that today by watching the Khan Academy videos, and you're gonna be taking the quiz. All right, boys and girls, have a great Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.